Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the dual apps in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you want to install a dual app, or you can say a clone app, like you already have one app and you want to install another, like you have one Facebook but you want to download another one in your device, you can do it by the method that I will show you. For that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can install a second or a dual app in your device.